Let's start with a problem many of us face, especially in STEM fields. We open our digital notes to review math, and instead of seeing clear formulas, we find a mess of backslashes and brackets. Previously, we wasted time deciphering our own material instead of focusing on the concept. With the latest update to Notebook LM, that changes completely. Thanks to latex rendering, the system automatically converts that code into well-presented equations, looking like they're from a textbook anywhere in your study flow. No need to activate extra features or install extensions. Formulas display correctly when chatting with the assistant or generating study cards and quizzes. Why does this matter for our study session? Simple. By eliminating the hassle of interpreting symbols and hidden subscripts, we gain speed and accuracy. We read and comprehend faster, reduce silly errors from confusing variables or missing details, and strengthen visual recognition of expressions. Getting started is simple. First, we upload our materials, notes, PDFs, and transcripts, then ask the study resource assistant for flashcards or a quiz. And third, we study with perfectly formatted formulas. Some helpful tip: if you already have saved notes, re-uploading them applies the new formatting. We can remove add-ons that try to do the same thing partially. And when making cards, it's best to keep lengthy formulas on separate lines so they display perfectly. Now, beyond formulas, Notebook LM has also made a breakthrough in how it converts our sources into review-ready content. The audio overview is a summary and conversation format that has significantly improved in naturalness. It now allows interaction where we can ask questions to speakers based on our sources, which seems like a powerful new feature. This feature already existed, but now there's also the video overview, where with just one click, we get an explanatory video with narration, slides, and alignment of our details. As you can see, we have all kinds of resources like guides, scripts, quizzes, planners, audio files, and even diagrams, so we can study much more comfortably, all with just a couple of notes. In addition to the familiar text outputs like summaries or drafts, structured data tables are now available. Think about various industry reports. The system can extract metrics and organize them into rows and columns. Revenue growth, market sizes, customer satisfaction, allowing sorting and filtering to compare at a glance. This is complemented by an in-depth research mode that, instead of just giving quick answers about uploaded content, can explore our sources more independently and add verified public information to deliver multi-layered documents, summaries, tables, and references. In the same vein, it can generate presentations as outputs, and another key improvement is goal-oriented functionality, where we can open notebook settings and briefly define our desired response style. Daily workflow management is also enhanced, letting us refresh chats, review conversation history, and save responses directly to notebook notes. Looking at the big picture, the direction is clear. We've moved from a tool that just summarized documents to a system that helps us think through our materials. All things considered, it's best to maintain two practices. First, organize our sources well. Clean folders, clear names, thematic grouping, because results improve when we start from an orderly foundation. And second, treat these functions as co-pilots. That means leveraging automation to free up time while still reviewing accuracy and adjusting focus when needed. Let's close by returning to our starting point. The simple experience of seeing a well-written equation without clutter transforms study quality. Add in more natural conversational summaries, one-click explanatory videos, self-building tables, and deeper research within the same environment, and the compound effect becomes obvious. As these tools reduce friction and automate repetitive tasks, we can devote more energy to understanding, connecting ideas, and better explaining what we learn. The question that this evolution leaves us is straightforward. If studying hurts less and yields more with these new tools, how will our approach to learning transform going forward? So that's it. Leave your opinions in the description, and I'll see you in future updates.